city. We have received yet another snow day. We are already heading towards the end of January, and another snowfall already occurred. Well, what can we expect? We are still in the winter season, so that explains why we are getting so much snow days more recently, and a bit of snowfalls in addition.
Well then, you guys, let's not waste any more time by now, cause we have got a full day of winter fun with all of this nice and fluffy snow.
So fishies, what type of activity should we all do in the snow? There is like hundreds of things we can all do together, from endless possibilities.
I actually have an idea already prepared from the back of my head. The 9 of us will work together to build a really sweet-looking snowman with a face, warm clothing, and everything.
Now that is definitely a fantastic idea there, Be Sharp. If we all work together, the snowman will be as awesome as all the other snowmen we built from the past.
So there is definitely no time to waste by now. Come on, fishies, we better get straight to work to finish the snowman in one day.
I'm gonna ruin the snow day for good. I'm gonna use the snow machine to create a disastrous blizzard. I guess no one is noticing what I am doing. So that means I can officially begin this scheme. Just wait until the city freezes. Enjoy the ice freeze, losers!
Yahoo! Look at how awesome this snowman ended up. The happy face, the warm winter clothes, and the buttons are definitely a pretty nice touch. It is like he is all pumped up for winter.
And the best part is that the snowman can easily survive the cold weather, all thanks to the hat, scarf, and mittens we have made, just for this snow buddy.
You know, fishies, this snowman can surely use a best friend, since no one should be out in the cold, all alone. Why don't we get to building another snowman for...
Oh my gills. That is such strong wind right there. I am sure it can't get this snowy and windy out of the blue like this.
I can't even see anything around this valley anymore, thanks to the weather being all foggy and super cloudy. I don't think it is safe to be outside any longer.
We better seek shelter immediately, before we all freeze, or catch colds. Everyone, inside Fort Finship, and hurry.
My goodness, that sure was a close call. We almost got ourselves lost, or sick, from all of that cold wind and fog that are blocking our direction.
But I just don't understand the logic of this blizzard happening in the first place. The weatherman didn't mention anything about a snowstorm occurring at all today. Something else must be the one behind this.
Hold up for a second there. I may have a logical answer to that question. I think I see a snow machine out in the valley that is producing all the wind and fog to create this blizzard.
Now that explains this sudden snowstorm without any prediction. The 3 of us have to go outside and grab that snow machine and take it back inside to shut it down.
You 3 are going out in that blizzard? Are you guys crazy? It is super dangerous to go out in this kind of weather. You guys might get lost, hurt, or even worse, you three might freeze. Dangerous or not, we still have to stop that snow machine one way or another. We can't let that invention do any more harm to this planet.
There's the snow machine. It was hidden behind that nearby bush.
Quick, little Bleedy, grab that machine and turn it off. Leon, this snow machine is not gonna cause any more trouble. Now come on, we better get back inside.
Yahoo! You three have stopped that snow machine from creating an even crazier blizzard, since it is now shut down for good.
And look out there, fishies. The clouds and the fog are clearing up, and the sun is coming out again. That means we successfully stopped the sudden blizzard and saved our snow day.
And it's all thanks to the three of us, and our determination to step foot in a crazy blizzard, and to stop this machine from causing more damage. Now who could have been the one that made this snowstorm?
Oh my goodness! How dare you all find that snow machine and turn it off out of the blue! Now you all ruin my plan to create such a disastrous blizzard and to ruin all of your snow days! I can't believe I just said that out loud.
Toad, let us get this straight. You were the one that used this snow machine to create such a nasty blizzard, just so you can ruin our snow day.
To tell you the truth, I was the one that did this. But I can't explain though.
Save it, young man. We should have known you were behind this blizzard, cause you were like the only troublemaker who would use a snow machine to cause some good old-fashioned trouble.
Toad, Mushroom, Koopa, the 9 of us cannot believe you created an extremely dangerous blizzard with the help of this snow machine that we somehow noticed from a bush.
You have seriously went way too far this time, cause you could have froze the entire city if we did not turn the machine off in time.
Just think of what will happen if you have gotten caught, and you likely would have been sent to community service for such a scheme like this.
And your dad will be super furious at you for this kind of behavior in addition.
That is so it. You are definitely punished as a result of this behavior.
You are grounded for 5 weeks.
And I am so calling your father immediately, and your electronics and treats are going bye-bye indefinitely. Go home and go to your room this very instant. Get out of our fort now.
Phew, at least everything has returned to normal once again, since the blizzard had finally came to an end.
And check this out. Toad somehow forgot to take his snow machine and left it here by mistake. Well, maybe he is better off not using it for a while, just in case that kid tries to pull this kind of stunt in the near future.
We actually have the perfect spot in our storage closet, so it can be nice and safe once the time comes for us to give it back to him.
And since the blizzard ended, that means we can begin to put together a second snowman as a special friend for our other snowman. Alrighty, fishies. Guess that means our time with drama nonsense has come to a close for the day. Phew. Life is good.